Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the heart shake tutorial using CapCut. So this effect is pretty much essential for epic music videos or intense action clips and also dynamic transitions. So here I'm going to break down all the exact settings and also all you need to do for the heart shake effect. So now let's just get started. So I'm going to apply the heart shake effect for the last two videos right here. What you need to do first is add two keyframes. So add a keyframe at the start first, this one, and zoom in like this on the first one. And then you can go to the last part of the video and now zoom out to its original size. So zoom out like this. Okay, now do the same for the next clip. Zoom in first, then zoom out. Okay, and after that you can just go to video effects and find the black flash effect. Black flash 2. Apply it to the clip. I'm going to apply it like this. Now duplicate it and apply it also to the next clip. Next, you need to also add camera shake effect. This one. Now make the length the same like the previous one. Click on adjust and set the range to 50 and the speed to 75. Hit on the check icon and now add two keyframes on the effect. So you need to click on object and choose all video first. Add two keyframes like this. And on the last keyframe, set it all to 0. Duplicate this effect and apply it to the next clips. So this is the final result for the heart shake effect. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.